Participants, welcome to the last session of this FDP on 3D printing and design. So one thing I didn't told that I'm also a PhD student. I have been a PhD student of Professor Santosh Kumar sir. I have completed my PhD in 2018 under the supervision of Professor Santosh Kumar. And he is the person who is leading in 3D printing at IIT BHU. So he will be telling a little bit about the opportunities which are available in collaboration with IIT BHU, along with if you want to collaborate with us, we are also open. Okay, sir, I request you to enlighten the participant during this closing session about the opportunities available, and then we will have a live sharing from the participant, and it will be followed by the examination. We are conducting a quiz which is having around 25 questions, and participants are expected to secure 60%. So they are out of 25 questions, their 60% questions should be correct. Okay, there will be no negative marking. So this session will be done like this. So now I request you to kindly start the closing session, sir.
So see, the additive manufacturing or 3D printing or rapid prototyping is future of manufacturing. Okay, so this future is in two part, you can say. One as the academic part and another as the industry part. So industry is already is at boom at very high rate, and by 2025 this is going to be more than $60 billion business. One thing. So lot of research is going on. And another thing, that Obama period, Obama declared additive manufacturing as the thrust area in United States in his period. Since then, throughout the world, the additive manufacturing is leading, and almost now it is entering in every area that you have already gone through during this workshop, that is FDP. Academia has also a great role, because the academics is the one that prepares manpower for this particular area. So a lot of research institutes are opening. Almost all IITs now have additive manufacturing labs. So even the NITs are doing well, like NIT Jamshedpur has done very well, and Trichy and other NITs. So now and there are many national labs that are leading in additive manufacturing. So looking into that, at IIT BHU also we have additive manufacturing lab, and at institute level also there is a big facility being created with the metal printer, high strength color polymer printer, SLAS. So a lot of things are coming up. And it is not only the additive manufacturing, there are many allied things which is coupled with additive manufacturing. So like all other allied fields. So a lot of research is going on. MTech program is in pipeline here in our department, mechanical engineering, MTech program for additive manufacturing. already myself, I think first, second, third, four, 3 PhD students have already done, including Yogesh, and 3 PhD students are also working at additive manufacturing. So we have good facility here, and very soon, within 6 months, we will get very high power printers. So we have a good lab. I can share, if let me, if it opens. We have a bigger FDM printer, that is Res 3D, that can print up to 500 mm, that is half meter height, and 40 centimeter width and length. So that is quite big component can be printed. We have SLA printer, we have ceramic printer right now, and there are 6-7 FDM other printers, small printers. So it's still lot of work, lot of MTech students are also doing. See, the additive manufacturing is not new, as I said, as I told, it is just a after the development of computers and CNC machine, it is possible now to duplicate natural process. That's the only thing. It is not very big issue. The big issue is that how do we fit in our manufacturing? That is a challenge. So fitting additive manufacturing in almost every manufacturing unit, it is possible. So that is the thing. I'm not able to open the file that I wanted to show, but you can, if you go at the IIT BHU Mechanical Engineering website, it is there also, additive manufacturing lab. You can see the printer which is there. There are 3D scanner also. We have three 3D scanner, one industrial 3D scanner and two small 3D scanner. So that is possible, and there are a lot of work. See, using this software itself has a big role. You can develop a software for different applications of 3D printing. For an example, in your mobile, there are apps, already developed app, where by mobile you can make your own 3D CAD model, your own. Just put your mobile in front of your face and just rotate 3-4 degrees like this, that you can get the up to passport size of CAD model of your, and then you can print. So this is what is the software already developed, a mobile apps. Many things you can do. Like if you go to somewhere in some, say, temple, you want to just take the mobile and you can print the statue there. So many things. Yeah. So software has also a big role, and industries do not know, because the old industries, they are not very much aware. So many things it can be produced very cheap with the help of additive manufacturing, by making dies, by making toolings for them, and with FDM itself you can make a metal part. That is and very good quality metal parts. You can cast in, you can make in aluminum, you can make in steel, you can make in other, any alloy you want to do, you can make itself using FDM technology. which is the cheapest one today. So I say that there is a lot of scope for industry also, and for academic is the very high, sky is the limit for academics, because and for students, those participants, if they want to do something, they want to avail the facility, it is open. There have been MTech students, PhD students from other institutions. They take permissions, sometimes they take co-supervisor, so it's open. Uh, uh, there is no issue. So if anybody want to take use of facility here, it is open, because it is all for public funding, so one can use. So this is what I wanted to share. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So now I request a few of participants, if they want to give their sharing, live sharing. It is open for participants. I'm allowing them to unmute. Okay, if any one of you want to share, give true feedback, you can give.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
This is Dr. Benal from Government Engineering College, Kushalnagar,
Yes.
Karnataka.
Okay.
I attended all the sessions. All the sessions were informative and got a full knowledge of 3D printing. I thank the organizer and his team for conducting this type of faculty development program. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Dr. Sendamari Kannan from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from Tamil Nadu. I attended this 5-day Atal FDP program. All the sessions are definitely meaningful, and some of the sessions are really eye-opener. And that day you have conducted the hands-on session on the laboratory yesterday. That is also very much useful to us, and we got some knowledgeable technical session from good, very expert speakers from all the IITs and NITs. Thank you very much, sir, for coordinating this event and giving us permission to attend this event. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay. Welcome.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Dr. Dharmalingam from Vailtech University, Chennai, and this FDP is very much useful, and I thank for organizing committees for conducting such a wonderful event. And it is the current additive manufacturing technology. All the experts, they were explained very fantastic manner, and it will be very much useful related to the additive manufacturing, such as that is stereolithography apparatus, fused deposit modeling, and selective laser sintering, etc. Various methods, they were explained, even though it is this kind of program conducting through online mode, but we are getting in the like a live mode. So all the experts, they are showing all the machines like in the live mode, and also it will be very understandable, not only for showing only the PowerPoint. It will have the practical manner also. All the experts, they were shown. So it is a very wonderful experience, and also I got many ideas from the experts. So all the experts, they were explained in a very nice manner, and also especially in the practical manner, what are the issues when they're printing the 3D printing component, what are the issues will be there, how to overcome all the things. They were explained very nice manner, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, welcome.
Good afternoon.
Dharmalik. Yes, just a second. before we can proceed ahead, I will request what are your actual plan after attending this FDP? In what way you have planned to move ahead? Yeah. So if participants can share on this, then it will be more good. Yes.
Good afternoon, sir, everybody. I am Umesh Kumar, Director, IMT College of Polytechnic, Greater Noida, sir, in UP. Sir, all these sessions are really very knowledgeable, as already feedback given by many of my batchmates, we can say. Sir, I want to start the 3D printing lab in my institute. So how we can start, and what is the basically support we can get from the experts, or like the material or specifications. And one more request to, if possible, sir, can you share the PPTs or the materials on our email ID, so for the future reference?
Yeah, definitely we will be sharing.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I am Suraj. Yes, sir. First, I will introduce myself. I am Suraj, and I have pursued my master's from BIT Misra, Ranchi, and I'm currently teaching in Siddhog Institute of Technology, Aurangabad, Bihar. Sir, as my master's is from design, what I learned in this FDP is really helpful for me, and I can plan further in this field for my PhD. And I am in a hope that I will be getting a PhD degree in this field of additive manufacturing. This is what I got, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Dr. Balakrishnan from Kumarasamy College of Engineering, Karur, Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes. Yeah.
Most active participants of this FDP.
Oh, thank you. I congratulate Dr. Yokesh Kumar for organizing such a nice workshop, actually faculty development program. I really amazing the kind of personalities you picked. I don't know how you picked all Superman in this particular field. They are really kind enough to discuss very intelligently and courageously. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for picking these people, first of all, and organizing such a kind of workshop. And for me, I did my MTech and PhD and even postdoc all through welding engineering. But I find a new area. And when I was registering this FDP, online FDP, I was thinking that there will be some session for wire arc additive manufacturing. That was the motive I registered, but not much information, only one session it was fetched. But I really interested to get all the information. Definitely I will get a new directions to my research. Maybe some of my future research scholar will touch this additive manufacturing field. And for that, since Monday I start learning something new, and I downloaded some books from the material which is shown by the presenters. It is really amazing, and I am awaiting for the new book which is to be published in April 2021. Thank you very much, sir, for your nice organization of this faculty development program.
Okay. Next. Anyway, this credit of resource person goes to Professor Santosh Kumar.
Good afternoon, sir. Krishna Prasad from ITM Group, Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I am very much thankful for the session. This session was helped me in doing my PhD. Actually, I am just looking for some papers on carbon fiber as well as Kevlar material. But in our session, there will be a session on these topics also. And this topic will definitely help me. And I have downloaded some material regarding this thing. And I will try to get my PhD in that particular area, sir, because of this session. Thank you for the session, sir, and information.
we have a composite 3D printing machine. It is the PO is already released, and this composite 3D printing fiber machine can print Kevlar, carbon fiber, glass fiber with variety of matrix material.
Okay.
So that is we have a very good facility in our institute facility. So that
Okay, sir.
is
Then I will definitely try to contact you, sir, regarding these things, and I need your help also on my project for this and this in this particular area. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for this session.
Anybody else? If there is no one to share.
Hello.
Here.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So myself, Dr. R.K. Hegde from Srinivas Institute of Technology, Mangalore, Karnataka. So actually, to be frank, I'm very new to this area of 3D printing. My basic say discipline of PhD is heat transfer. So out of curiosity, actually, I enrolled for this 3D printing and design program. And of late, I was thinking of shifting, say, my research area and focusing on materials. So this way, it was very, very useful for me. And it gave me a lot of inputs, especially since you, especially the coordinator, Dr. Yogesh Kumar, you drew the experts from IITs, IIT professors. It was very exciting to listen to the experts in the field of 3D printing, and as well as a few experts from the industries also. So it was overall very well planned, say FDP, I can say. It was personally useful for me. And in particular, I'd like to thank Professor Kumar, Dr. Kumar, S. Kumar, openly has extended, say, the invitation to all the expert, I mean, researchers like us to collaborate with IIT BHU with the facilities available. So definitely, I'm thinking on this in that angle, and I'm very much thankful for the professor regarding this. Usually, no professor will come forward to extend such an invitation. It is really amazing. So overall, it was a very good experience. Thank you.
Okay. Else who want to say?
Good afternoon, sir. This is Jawahar from Sri Sasa Institute of Engineering Technology. So my voice is audible, sir? I think I'm having some network issue. I got a.
We can hear you. There was a network breakdown. Please, somebody was sharing something. I couldn't hear. Santosh sir? Anybody sharing remaining for any, because I lost my internet.
I don't know anybody. Some students shared.
Okay, any participants who is remaining to share their feedback? Okay, so if there is nobody left to give live sharing, we will stop here, and I will end this meeting. And this meeting is actually ended now, and I am posting the link for online examination. This right now the time is 3:35, and this link will remain open up to 4:15. So we are giving more than 30 minutes for 25 questions. Okay, so.
So thank you, Yogesh. Thank you, everybody.
Link is open.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Where you will post the link?
Sir, the link is available in chat box or email. Professor?
Where is the link? Dr. Yogesh.
Yes. 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 Could you? Did you get the link in chat?
Yes, sir. It is available in the chat box.
No, sir. No, sir. Not available in chat box.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in my chat box is not available, sir.
Okay, we are you?
Hello.
Sir, please send to email, sir, because in some of the phones we cannot get the chat box.
Sir, where we get, sir, link, sir, in email?
On link I am also posting. On email also I am posting. I have already posted in this team. Few participants have not got.
Yes, sir.
So I am saying. Okay, mail sent. You can check on your mailbox.
Yes, sir.
Anybody link? Check your mail and you will get.